Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video I'm going to teach you how to test a Bolex non-reflex D8L. First thing you want to do is on the frames per second counter right here, you want to set it to 18 frames per second, which is safe. The 18 is in red. The dial rotates to the left and to the right. Just set it at the top right there. The red 18 with the little indentation is the line is in the chrome. Okay? And you're set. Next, there's this little lever right here. Make sure it's in the down position. That means that the camera is in operation mode. Okay? If you have it in the center, it's for animation. It's only going to click 1 frame per second. If you have it up top, it's going to lock the camera. So make sure it's down at the bottom in operation mode. Now, wind the camera. It winds clockwise. Flip up the turn key. About 21 and a half cranks. We'll wind it till it's tight. Bolex claims that you cannot overwind the camera, but you can. When it gets tight, or you're at 21 and a half cranks, stop. Do not go any further. Okay, so that's it. It stopped. I'll put it back like that. Next, turn it over to the film door compartment, which is here. Lift up this knob, push in, turn towards the left, flip up the film door. If this little lever here, the silver one, if it's in this position, that's good. If it's up, like so, that means the film gate's open. You want to push it closed. If it's a D8L, you can read it right here, D8L. Here's the model number. Now with the door open, you can record your video for any type of group. Press the pistol grip with your button, and you can see it moving. If it sounds like this, it means the camera's in full working order. It has a good CLA and overhaul just like mine does here. If the camera is operating slow and sluggish, intermediate operations with a film spool here and slowing down, that means it needs a CLA, clean, lubed, an adjustment, and an overhaul. These cameras have been sitting in Granddad's closet for generations, and all the lubricants inside have collected dust, dirt, things like that. And you may have worn or broken parts. That will be replaced and repaired with the overhaul. Now, with the film locking door, push it in, turn towards the right, flip it over, and you're done. You've just tested a non-reflex Bolex D8L. And this video is for those who are selling it, who don't know anything about the camera, but would like to post a video to prove that it works for selling. Hope this helps you. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Hope you've enjoyed it. See ya!